Apple AirPods 4, redefining the wireless earbud experience. Apple has once again raised the bar with the release of the AirPods 4, the latest addition to its iconic lineup of wireless earbuds. With a sleek new design, enhanced audio capabilities, and smarter features, these earbuds are more than just a listening device, they're a powerful extension of the Apple ecosystem. Whether you're an audiophile, a frequent traveler, or someone who simply loves convenience, the AirPods 4 are designed to deliver an experience that feels futuristic yet familiar. A new era of sound quality. Sound quality has always been at the heart of the AirPods experience, and with the AirPods 4, Apple has taken a giant leap forward. Engineered with a newly optimized audio driver and custom amplifier, these earbuds produce deeper bass, more vibrant mids, and crystal clear highs. You'll notice the richness in your music, the clarity in your calls, and the precision in every note, creating a soundstage that feels more immersive than ever before. Whether you're streaming high-resolution tracks, watching movies, or joining a Zoom call, the AirPods 4 adapt to the content, ensuring you hear every detail with remarkable precision. The spatial audio feature has also been fine-tuned, providing a 360-degree sound experience that adjusts with your head movements, bringing cinema-quality sound directly to your ears. Smarter noise cancellation and transparency mode. Apple has introduced a more intelligent noise cancellation system in the AirPods 4. The updated active noise cancellation, ANC, uses advanced algorithms and adaptive processing to block out ambient noise more effectively, even in unpredictable environments. Commuting on a noisy train or working in a bustling cafe? The AirPods 4 help you stay focused, immersed, and undisturbed. For moments when you need to stay aware of your surroundings, the improved transparency mode kicks in seamlessly. It allows outside sound in without compromising audio quality, making it easy to have quick conversations or stay alert while walking in busy areas. Redesigned for comfort and stability. Comfort is a key priority in the AirPods 4. Apple has introduced subtle yet meaningful changes to the design, making the earbuds more ergonomic and secure. The new form factor caters to a wider range of ear shapes and sizes, reducing the chances of slippage and discomfort, even after hours of wear. Whether you're running, working out, or wearing them throughout the day, the AirPods 4 remain comfortably in place. The enhanced in-ear detection sensors also contribute to a more intuitive user experience, pausing playback the moment you remove an earbud and resuming it when you put it back in. Extended battery life and improved charging. Staying powered throughout the day is easier with the AirPods 4. Battery efficiency has been improved, allowing for longer listening and talk time on a single charge. Whether you're listening to music on a long flight or hopping between virtual meetings, these earbuds are ready to keep up. The redesigned charging case not only looks more premium with its sleek finish but also supports faster wireless charging and improved durability. The case ensures your AirPods are always protected and ready to go, while also contributing to the device's overall stylish appeal. Seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. As expected, the AirPods 4 work flawlessly within the Apple ecosystem. With one-tap pairing, automatic device switching, and enhanced Find My support, managing your devices is simpler and smarter. New gesture controls and even more responsive Siri integration add to the convenience, allowing you to manage your calls, control your music, and check your schedule, hands-free. With features like personalized spatial audio, voice isolation for calls, and real-time language translation capabilities, where supported, the AirPods 4 aren't just keeping pace, they're leading the way. Conclusion: more than just earbuds. The Apple AirPods 4 are a testament to Apple's dedication to innovation, comfort, and user experience. They offer a polished blend of performance, style, and intelligence that sets them apart in a crowded market. With these earbuds, Apple isn't just refining wireless listening, they're redefining what it means altogether. Whether you're upgrading from an older generation or stepping into the AirPods world for the first time, the AirPods 4 offer a compelling reason to make the switch. These aren't just earbuds, they're your smart audio companion, ready to elevate every moment.